So I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on YouTube. Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how you can verify your identity on YouTube. So it's a very simple procedure to verify your identity on YouTube. All you need to do is make sure that you have a phone number registered in your name. So now to begin with, go ahead and tap the settings icon while you're on the YouTube channel or studio page, and over here you'll be able to see a pop-up menu. So from there you need to go to channels. As you click the channels button, that's going to show you a list of options. So go to feature eligibility. As you can see, in my case, I've already verified my YouTube account or my ID. So first of all, you need to make sure to go ahead and verify your standard features. So go ahead and tap the arrow icon if you're not verified. When you verify the following statement, then you'll be able to see enabled, which indicates you've successfully verified. But if you don't see an enabled option, which indicates you've not verified or that verification has been rejected or whatsoever. When you verify your standard features, then you'll be able to upload videos, playlist creations, or add a collaboration to your playlist whatsoever. To begin with the step number 2, where you can actually verify your identity, click the arrow icon and over here you'll be asked to provide and verify your phone number. Go ahead and enter in the phone number, and an OTP will be sent to the SMS which you have to enter in. As soon as you do that, the phone number will be registered, and then you can access the features such as you can add more longer videos that are more than 15 minutes, or customize a thumbnail, or go to live streaming. So that's how you can verify your identity on YouTube. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.